Welcome to Chemical Hub, and today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is air pollution. So what is air pollution? Air pollution is defined as addition of certain materials to a physical environment, making it less fit or unfit for life. Next, let us discuss about the classification of pollutants. So air pollutants are classified in four categories. First is according to their existence in nature. As per their existence in nature, they can be classified as quantitative pollutants as well as qualitative pollutants. Quantitative pollutants means they become a pollutant when their concentration reaches beyond a threshold value. Example like CO2, NO. If they reach above the certain concentration, they are classified as quantitative pollutants. Next is qualitative pollutants. Qualitative pollutants, they do not occur in nature and they are man-made. So like examples, pesticides such as DDT, which are banned, fungicides, they all come under qualitative pollutants. According to the form after releasing into the environment. First is primary pollutant. Primary pollutant is the pollutant which is emitted directly from the source into the environment. They can be natural as well as anthropogenic. Natural sources, they can be due to natural processes like sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, or they can be due to anthropogenic, means man-made sources like industrial and vehicle emissions. Examples of primary pollutant are SO2, CO, NOx, particulate matter. Next comes secondary pollutant. Secondary pollutants are formed as a result of chemical and physical interactions between primary pollutant themselves or between primarily and other environmental pollutant. Means the pollutants which are formed due to combination of two primary pollutants or primary pollutants with other environmental pollutants. It is called secondary pollutant. Example like if SO2 is a primary pollutant, if it combines with water vapors, water present in the air, it forms H2SO4. This H2SO4 form is our secondary pollutant. Next, the classification is according to the origin. As we discussed, it can be natural or anthropogenic, which is man-made. Natural like volcanic eruptions, or anthropogenic like vehicle emissions. Fourth is according to the nature of disposal. They can be biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Biodegradable pollutants are those which can be degraded by microbial action, like the domestic waste or animal waste, which can be degraded. And non-biodegradable are the pollutants which are not decomposed by microbial action. They can be glass, plastic, pesticides. Next, what are the causes of air pollution? Uncontrolled growth of human population, rapid urbanization, rapid industrialization. These all can lead to air pollution and increase their extent. Uncontrolled exploitation of nature, forest fires. The lifestyle of the people affects about how air pollution is changing. Air pollution legislations in India. In India, there are four acts which come under air pollution. From 1981, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came. In 1982, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Rules came. In 1988, Central Motor Vehicles Act came. In 1986, Environment Protection Act came into picture. Then comes the air pollution episodes. The major air pollution episodes which took place were Meuse Valley, Belgium. Meuse Valley fog was the result of a combination of fog and SO2 emissions that were produced from large amount of coal burning in a valley. The gas attack of Los Angeles in 1940. It was also called as a Black Wednesday. It was not a chemical attack, but it was due to photochemical smoke. Due to geography, mountains trapped air pollutants and increased the smog problem. Next was the Donora smog in Pennsylvania. It was caused by hydrogen fluoride and SO2 emissions from US Steel's Donora zinc works during atmospheric temperature inversion. The Great London smog, as we have heard, it was due to large amount of coal burning, industrial problem, and the weather conditions that trapped the smoke. Next comes the London smog of 1954, which was due to the reaction of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides, primarily from automobile exhaust with sunlight. Inversion in New York City. Inversion is a phenomenon that we may discuss in some other videos. And acid rain, as we all know, that when air pollutants combine with water, they form and fall over the Earth's surface as rain, that is acid rain. Such incident has taken in America and West Virginia at a major extent for in the beginning years. Next, let us see about the scales of air pollution. The scales of air pollution ranges from micro, meso, and macro scale. The micro scale combines air pollutants ranging from 0 to 100 meter, like our indoor air pollution or the dust particles that are accumulated. The mesoscale is categorized into three categories: local, about 5 km, urban, which extends up to 50 km, and regional, which is from 50 to 500 km. They are a result of the examples of mesoscale air pollution are photochemical smog taking place, or some visibility effect, or exposure to traffic, or acid rain taking place in a certain area. And the macro scale is a continental or global event. Continental spreads from around 500 to 1000 kilometers, while global extends to worldwide. So, the example of macro scale is global warming, which we see today is rapidly rising. Also, the ozone depletion is one of a macro scale air pollution. So, that's all for today. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.